The musical staff. In music, we write notes on a staff. We always count the lines and spaces from bottom to top. The staff consists of 5 horizontal lines and 4 spaces. Each line and space represents a different musical note. Notes can be written on the lines or in the spaces between the lines. When musical notes are written in sequence, they appear alternately on the lines and in the spaces. Ledger lines. Sometimes musical notes are too high or too low to fit on the staff. In these cases, we use ledger lines. Ledger lines are short lines added above or below the staff. They extend the staff and allow us to write notes beyond the 5 lines. Notes on ledger lines follow the same step-by-step order as notes on the staff. Understanding ledger lines helps you read higher and lower notes accurately. The clef. In music, a clef is a symbol placed at the beginning of the staff. It shows us how to read the notes and what pitch each line and space represents. Clefs define the position of specific notes on the staff. The treble clef, or sol clef, shows that G, or sol, is on the 2nd line. The bass clef, or fa clef, shows that F, or fa, is on the 4th line. The do clef shows that C, or do, is on the 3rd line. Sol clef, or treble clef. One of the most common clefs is the treble clef, also known as the sol clef. Sol clef begins on the 2nd line of the staff and gives its name to that line. This means that the note written on the 2nd line is sol. Once we know where sol, or G, is, we can easily find the other notes by moving step by step up or down on the staff. Understanding the sol clef is an essential step in learning how to read music. The method of drawing the sol clef is shown in the figure. To learn it well, practice drawing it several times in your notebook. Ready to finally understand how to read notes on the sol clef staff and discover lots of fun, creative ways to make music even more exciting? Hit that next video right now.